Hi, I'm Jack.
Hi, I'm Ella.
Hi, I'm Anna, and our project is Reproduce. Reproduce is a public message that seeks to teach consumers how to make the most of their fresh produce and minimize food waste.
So anytime you take any of the green matter from getting buried, that's where when it starts decomposing underground, that's when the gases start forming, and that's where the majority of the problem is with the global warming or whatever the greenhouse gases. So use that and then turn it back into usable compost for the garden, and it is more beneficial for everything, really.
We wanted to know how much our community really knew about greenhouse gas emissions and what they can do to help reduce them. We presented them with 2 limes, a new one and an older one, and asked them a few questions.
The most colorful.
Yes. Okay. So this one.
The
Yes,
greener one, yeah.
Okay.
The green one? Yeah, that's what most people say. Okay.
Probably that one.
The more green.
Yeah.
The greener one. I'd probably throw it away.
Throwing it away.
That would be at risk of being thrown away.
About half of our contestants said that they would throw out the lime after it became a little bit discolored, but the other half told us that they would use it.
If I needed the juice,
Then so what?
then I would.
Great.
I actually would use a.
The participants were surprised to see that after flipped over, both limes looked the same on the inside. They were even surprised to hear that the lime that had been sitting longer actually gave more juice. Lastly, we asked them what they knew about greenhouse gas emissions and what they can do to reduce them. We were surprised to hear that they didn't know much. About a third of produce is thrown away each year, creating about 2.9 billion pounds of food waste every year, according to National Geographic. And with 800 million people hungry, enough food is thrown away to feed them twice over. 8% of total greenhouse gas emissions are from food waste, which would be about a third of the country, according to Washington Post. We were glad to educate our community about these unfortunate circumstances and were able to offer them a simple solution that they can do at home. At our table, along with our experiment, we offered brochures explaining how they can help. In the brochures, they can find the following information. Millions of consumers in our society today value the cosmetic appearance of produce over the actual quality of the produce.
To minimize food waste in the consumer community, we've come up with 3 solutions.
For fruits with minor scrapes and bruises, you can cut the bruised portions out and still eat the fruit because it's still perfectly normal and edible. And if there's discolorations, you can still eat the fruit too because it's natural and they don't affect the taste.
For produce on the edge of expiration, make sure that you cook and or eat the produce as soon as possible, and make sure that you don't overbuy on fresh produce. Otherwise, you can turn fruits into jams or jellies and other natural preservatives, such as these ones that we have here.
For produce that has expired, don't throw it away. It will then just go to a landfill and create methane gas, which is 21 times more powerful than CO2. You should compost instead.